How to see without the seer, how to observe without the observer, how to experience, how to experience anything without becoming an experiencer. Is it possible? All the time, whenever we see anything, there is a seer always, which is made up of bundle of thoughts or experience mind. And this seer, this seer when present, there is always be the difference between the seer and the seen. This difference will create the duality, and duality this duality will give the continuity to the violence, anger, aggression, all kind of conflicts. So that's why it's most important to see things without the seer being present. Just see, become the part of the scene. Just observe, become the part of the observation. Become the part of the doing, not become the doer. Is it only possible when you don't hold on to the idea of your observer, to the seer? Because we all have past knowledge of any kind, of so many knowledge, whatever we are seeing. Just be aware of that knowledge, but don't take that knowledge at face value. When you don't take that knowledge at face value, you just be aware of that. Then there is a holistic approach. This holistic approach, because now you are not separate individual, separate entity. Now you will merge in the observation. Let the thoughts run in your mind of any kind: fear, anger, aggression, shyness, insecurity, whatever kind of thoughts. Let them run. Don't choose them. Just follow your nature. Follow your basic, inner, real, actual, organic nature. And even without choosing what you are, you will come out. But if you are not something, then if you're not something, then you are you are doing a compulsion, and that compulsion will waste all your energy, will bring conflict, will bring so many experiencer, so many knower, so many observer, seer, watcher, analyzer. So don't choose, don't hold, just be aware without any choice, and see the magic of life, the miracle of life. If you want to join my complete spirituality program I'm preparing, you can join that program. The number is given in comment section and also in the description. You can WhatsApp me on that. Thank you very much.